We will see about Clapyron equation. If two phases A and B of a pure substance are in equilibrium at constant temperature and pressure, the molar free energy change of a substance remains the same. Gibbs free energy of substance A is equal to Gibbs free energy of substance B. For a small change in pressure and temperature, the free energy change in the two phases will be change in free energy of substance A is equal to VA dP minus SA dt, and change in free energy of substance B is equal to VB, that is volume of B, into change in pressure minus SB into dt, that is entropy into change in temperature. At equilibrium, dGA is equal to dGB, that is VdP minus Sdt is equal to VB dP minus SB dt. If we bring same factors on same side, VB dP minus VA dP is equal to SB dt minus SA dt. Take volume factors in a square bracket. VB minus VA dP is equal to SB minus SA dt, and bring the differential factor on same side and others on another side. dP by dt is equal to SB minus SA divided by VB minus VA. So the above one is change in entropy of a substance A and B, and the below one is change in volume of substance A and B. So we can rewrite this equation as dP by dt is equal to delta S by delta V, but delta S is equal to change in enthalpy by temperatures. Therefore, dP by dt is equal to dH by T dV. This is the Clapyron equation. Next, we will see about gaseous Clapyron equation. The Clapyron equation for the phase transition is dP by dt is equal to del H by T delta V. For liquid vapor equilibrium, del V is equal to Vg minus Vl. So we can substitute Vg minus Vl in the above equation, then we will get dP by dt is equal to del H by T Vg minus Vl. Vg is molar volume of the gas and Vl is molar volume of the liquid. At boiling point, Vg is greater than Vl, then we can neglect Vl because of its small value. So dP by dt is equal to del H by T Vg. For an ideal gas, PV equal to nRT. So from this, Vg is equal to RT by P. If we substitute this value in the previous equation, dP by dt becomes del H into P divided by T into RT. Bring P to left hand side to bring the same factors on same side and others to the right hand side. We will get 1 by dP by dt is equal to del H by RT square. So this 1 by dP can be written as d ln P by dt is equal to del H by RT square. This equation is known as gaseous Clapyron equation. Integrate the equation, above equation, from pressure P1 to P2 and temperature T1 to T2. We will get d ln P is ln P, P from P1 to P2, and del HV by R. That is, if we are having 1 by T means we have to take it as T power minus 1, and we will get a minus 1 by T from P1 to T2 according to differential equation. So this can be written as ln P2 minus ln P1 can be written as ln P2 by P1 is equal to minus del HV by R 1 by T2 minus 1 by T1, because we have taken minus as common factor. If we multiply this inside the square bracket, we will get del HV by R into 1 by T1 minus T2. Taking LCM, we will get T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2 in the above equation. If we remove ln, we have to multiply the factor with 2.302 to get log. So the equation becomes 2.303 log P2 by P1 is equal to del HV by R T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. Then bring 2.303 to the right side. The equation becomes log P2 by P1 is equal to del HV by 2.303 or T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. This equation is called as integrated form of Clapyron equation. Application of this equation is in solid liquid equilibria, that is in fusion process. So solid to liquid, we can write dP by dt is equal to del H by T delta V. For this, we have to put VL minus Vs instead of Vg minus VL. So in this VL is greater than Vs, so dP by dt is in positive value. And for liquid vapor equilibria, this is for vaporization process as we have written already. dP by dt is equal to del H by T delta V. In this T delta V, we have to put Vg minus VL. Here Vg is greater than VL, so dP by dt is in positive value. And in solid vapor equilibria, in sublimation process, we have to put delta H sublimation. So the equation becomes dP by dt is equal to del H sublimation divided by del V Vg minus Vs. Here G is greater than Vs, so here also dP by dt is in positive value. Thank you.